Warm up your New Year celebrations with a light and aromatic ginger mousse, spiced with cinnamon and a hint of orange. Start with creamy yogurt as the base for this guilt-free dessert. Add freshly grated ginger and vibrant orange zest for that festive zing. And don't forget a pinch of cinnamon. It's the heart of this wintry delight. Carefully fold in whipped egg whites to make the mousse light and airy. Spoon your mousse into glasses and let it chill for an hour. Top it off with a touch of cinnamon, a slice of orange, and a cinnamon stick for that festive New Year's touch. This light and flavorful ginger mousse is perfect for your New Year's table. Delicious, healthy, and unforgettable. Start the new year with a dessert that's as light as your resolutions. Enjoy this delicious and healthy recipe. Want to learn how to eat your favorite foods and still lose weight? Click the link to learn more.